I am here to differentiate the difference between coin and token. Most of us have been misunderstanding these two terms. Some of us see a coin, we call it a token. We see a token, we call it a coin. We don't even know the difference at all. So I'm making this video right now for you that is watching this video, so that after watching this video from the beginning to the end, you will not see a coin and call it a token again. Neither will you see a token and call it a coin. You will know the difference between the two. When you see a coin, you call it a coin. When you see a token, you call it a token. Then miss, joining them together is not good. If you're in this space, watch this video and your level of crypto, watch it and have a better understanding among the two or between the two. Are you getting it? So now let's go. And before I forget, if you're a new subscriber to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, God bless you. Thank you for coming around to watch our video. I don't take you guys for granted. I really appreciate your efforts. Remember, this is Crypto Mom, formerly known as Crypto Authority TV. The name has been updated to Crypto Mom. Don't forget, you guys are the reason why you're still on the YouTube street. Okay, let's go. Now, what is the difference between coins and tokens? Now, do you know that a coin is a cryptocurrency, okay, that has its own, independent blockchain. It has its own blockchain. A coin has its own blockchain. It does not rely on another, token or coin blockchain. It's just like, difference between a host. If you study biology in school, a difference between a host and a parasite. A parasite depends on the host for survival. True or false? If you study biology, even if you're an art student, you study biology right now. The same thing goes with token and coins. Now, a coin has its own blockchain, its own independent blockchain. It does not, exist or survived in another token or coin blockchain. It has its own independent blockchain. But a token is not a digital currency, that does not have its own independent blockchain. Rather, it relies, on coins blockchain for survival. A token does not have its own blockchain at all. They survive by, attaching themselves to a coin blockchain before they can exist. Now, example of a coin. BTC, which is Bitcoin, has its own blockchain. It's a coin. ETH, which is Ethereum, has its own blockchain, which is a coin. Solana, which is SOL, has its own blockchain, which is a coin. BNB Smart Chain has its own blockchain. Okay? Which one again? Polygon has its own blockchain. And the rest of them, there are so many. And what is all this coin? Coin is the native, currency of its own blockchain. Now, I've given us examples of a coin. Now let's come to a token. A token is also a digital currency, but it doesn't have its own blockchain. It relies on coins blockchain to survive, to exist. Now, what is an example of a token on BNB chain? Example is what? Let me say, Wikicat, WKC. WKC is not a coin, it's a token. But it's on BNB blockchain. It relied on BNB blockchain to exist, to manifest, to survive. Shiba Inu is not a coin, it's a token that attaches itself to Ethereum blockchain. Likewise, Pepe is not a coin, it's a token that relies on Ethereum blockchain for survival. Are you getting it? OCCAT them, they are tokens. Measure them, there are so many. Water rabbit them. They are tokens on BNB blockchain that attach themselves to BNB blockchain. Without BNB attaching themselves to the blockchain, they cannot be able to exist. They can't launch. They can't manage. So have this understanding and have peace. Don't be misled. Tokens and coins are not the same. Tokens, if you forget every other thing I've just said, don't forget this. Don't forget, coins has its own blockchain, whereas token does not have its own blockchain. I hope with this viewpoint of mine, you can see the difference between tokens and coin today. All right, all right. I'm coming. All right, all right. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I love you guys. One love.